Yeah, nothing else, ma'am. Just let me start.
Yeah, yeah.
Just a second, ma'am.
No worries. You take your time.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
We are live now. So thank you, ma'am, for accepting the invitation and taking out the
Please
time
call
for.
me ma'am. Stop doing ma'am.
Okay. Then marry thee.
Mary is fine. Dee
Okay.
is fine. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Zee, for taking out time for this program. Let's talk actually one program we have started with Awam. Like it's a live program where we discuss with parents, siblings, and the grandparents and about their journey with
Right,
autism.
right.
And thanks for accepting this, ma'am. And mm, for this program, but as we all know, it's easy in your case to Google and to find about the icon of autism. But here we want to know the journey of a mother who
Yeah,
inspired many mothers. Many mothers are inspired and they want to be like you. So, and you have given one identity of autism in India, especially. So, ma'am, thank you and welcome in Let's Talk. So here, I just want to know, ma'am, if you can share your journey in brief about the thing as a mother you have faced at that time when there is
mm,
completely, there is no awareness in India,
yeah,
especially.
yeah. Huh.
Yeah,
Okay. So, first of all, thank you, Manisha, very much for having me on and for that glowing introduction. Um, and I think the journey that I had is similar to most mothers, except that that was a very different time because, as you know, my son is 40 years old. And so, when he was born, I mean, if he were born now, he would get a diagnosis by the time he was a year old because he's what was known as classical Kanner's autism.
autism.
But in those days, it's not just in India, but anywhere in the world, there was very little knowledge about autism. And we had not yet invented Google God, who's the go-to God for everybody when you need some information.
At that
And
time, yeah. Now we are blessed to have that Google God here.
yes, absolutely. So there was no Google God. And even to talk to somebody, a doctor friend in the US or UK, meant I had to make a trunk call, which
Yeah.
most young people wouldn't know what that is. So I had to make a trunk call and wait for when my time would come and, to
Hmm.
order a book. It was a प्यार नहीं करती है, all the kind of stuff was pretty prevalent. The other thing that was prevalent was that I don't discipline my child enough. That is something I heard a lot. I heard it
Hmm.
from one of the best pediatricians, a leading pediatrician in Calcutta, who told me you should beat him more. And I said
Yeah,
that
obviously we are raised like that, Pam.
exactly.
That's what.
And I used to feel very guilty because I did hit my son in those days. So I
Hmm.
said, but doctor, I do hit him sometimes. So he said, you don't hit him hard enough. So, that is the kind of scenario we were in.
Hmm.
And there were a handful of people across the country who had heard about
Heard
autism,
about, yeah.
but honestly, none of them knew what autism was. So when I think back to the things I was told then about autism, none of that was really true. right? Including that they will not learn much. You can forget about this child, go and have another baby,
Yeah.
all that kind of stuff. Yeah. And, the blame, of course, was there of being a bad mother. And the fact that, kuch nahi hoga, which, of course, as a parent, nobody accepts. Ki kuch nahi hoga. And I think the one thing that was very different from parents now is that it was like a blank, like there was no information. Because see, when you find that your child has received a diagnosis of a condition that I'd never heard the name about before, my first thought was, what is this? Right? I did not really have this thing of why me. I didn't go through that, because okay, I got him, that's fine. And my main thing was that I want to find out what it is so I can help him. There was not a single book available
At that time,
anywhere.
yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
I
there was
understand.
nothing. Not one of the libraries had anything. And even internationally, autism publication is now like a volcano. There are books being written continuously. So there were very few books internationally also. And that was the thing that was really difficult, trying to find a book that would tell me what it is and what I can do to help him, because I wanted to help him to learn, to progress, because I was certain he could learn, because, every human being could learn. So I think that was the biggest thing. And the other thing was that, like nowadays, because there are lots of other parents, you often, if you look out, you can find a kind of a support system. Like you all have formed support groups.
Yeah.
Right? You have a support group, and there are others who form support groups.
Yeah,
So
nowadays lots of support groups are there.
Absolutely. And even if you can't be physically at a support group, you can be through the internet.
Through internet, through WhatsApp, or through anything.
Yeah. WhatsApp. So, the things that were not there.
Yeah.
So there was no support group. But for me, what I wanted to do is, so as I started getting books, I got a book by Lorna Wing. A lot of mothers these days won't know about her, but she was one of the leading people, Lorna Wing. So I got a book by Lorna Wing, and I read it up, and then I got more magazines from the US and UK. And, I realized that what people keep telling me here is, autism to yahan hota hi nahi hai, ye ek videshi cheez hai. This only happens because mothers don't care and the children can't learn. I knew that those were not true. And I think my main aim in the early years was to change that. I've always been a bit of an evangelist. So I wanted people to know ki ye theek baat hai nahi. So I know that one of the first things that I did within 2 or 3 months of my son's diagnosis was write in newspapers and magazines. I wrote about disability because see, when in those days, but even now, जब हम disability के बारे सोचते हैं, we think about deafness, we think about somebody who can't walk, we think about something who can't see. But mental disability, even I had no concept really, right? So my other thing was to write in the newspaper because I wanted parents to know that to have knowledge, to have information, because knowledge is power.
Yeah.
So as a mother, that was the first thing I did, apart from helping my child, is write in the media so that mothers get to know that, yes, this is a condition. There are others like me. I'm not alone. Because for a lot of mothers, it was that I'm the only one with a child like this.
Yes.
Yeah. So one of the first things also was that you are not alone. So those were some of my earliest things that I can think of.
So ma'am, by writing in the newspaper and all, so anybody contact you at that time?
No. See, I always loved writing, and I'd worked as a journalist briefly before my career took off. My son got a diagnosis. So then my career went for a 6, but that was a part of what I was. Right. So I knew that writing, see, in those days, there was not a million newspapers. For instance, in Calcutta, there was the Statesman and the Hindustan Standard. In Delhi, there was the Times of India, the Indian Express. So there were a limited number of newspapers and magazines. So if you wrote in those, you reached, at least the people who were reading those.
Who are reading
Right?
those? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So, ma'am, we came to know through Google, obviously, that
yeah, yeah.
you went to US during this
Yeah.
journey of yours. So, what is
Right.
the difference, ma'am, you found there at that time? And do you think that now India, in our country, we are equipped in handling autism and handling with all sort of things which at that time when you
Right.
have come through? So, I just want to know that.
Okay, so see, the first time that I went overseas to take a look was about 30 years back.
Mm.
Right, 30 years ago was when to look for autism and therapies and all that was the first time. And what I found was that there were services, but there were not that many services in any case, but there were good services. But I think the difference was that, see, now there are a lot of services in India. Even in small towns and cities, there are groups that have sprung up. Families, parents have started things. Non-parents have started organizations. But I think the biggest difference is that in our country, no, there are a number of differences. One is the
Right.
numbers here are very large,
Here
right?
in India.
Catering to about 20 million people with autism alone,
In India.
right? In the country, in India, right?
In India.
So the
Okay.
services we have are nowhere near what is needed. So
Yeah.
even though we have a lot of services now, they are really a drop in the ocean.
Hmm.
That is why sometimes when organizations get bothered कि ये मेरे बच्चे को ले लिया, वो मेरे बच्चे को ले लिया, I
Hmm.
think, what are you worried about?
Hmm.
There are enough bachos around for another 1,000 organizations to start, and you'll still have families coming to you, right? So
Actually,
that's
sorry to interrupt here, ma'am. Actually, in India, might be I am wrong, and some people will tell this, but yes, like आपने कहा ना ये बच्चों को ले लिया. So some are very money minting organization
हाँ हाँ
here in India.
या बिकॉज
Yeah.
आपका काम ठीक है तो आपको सोचने का
So
जरूरत नहीं है.
yeah.
आप 1,000 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन शुरू कर दो तभी भी हम सब फैमिलीज को हेल्प कर नहीं पाएंगे. इतने सारे फैमिलीज है, राइट? सो
Correct.
दैट इज वन मेजर डिफरेंस. The other big difference is that we don't have any regulation. Anybody can go and start a service, right? And it all depends on how well you sell your service. It's not on how well you do the work,
Do the
right?
work. Yeah, definitely.
So
That's
yeah,
what I.
so in most in the Western countries, in the developed countries, even in the Eastern countries, if you go to Singapore or you go to Japan, these are countries, or you go to Israel, your work has to be good. Your work is regulated. कोई भी जाकर एक शुरू कर दिया, यहाँ पर तो anybody can put up a thing and start a and see at one level ठीक है क्योंकि इतने सारे जरूरत है. पर जब रेगुलेशन नहीं है ना, तब क्या होता है कि what is being you don't know what is being offered, right? And so that's the big difference. There is a lot of regulation there. There is no regulation here. Actually, there is one thing.
Yes.
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
No. Actually, I was thinking that only that because of this regulation नहीं है इंडिया में तो कोई भी किसी को exploit भी कर रहे हैं. Generally,
होता
the
तो है.
organization are
Of course.
exploiting a lot to the parents.
See, yeah, when you talk about exploiting, I remembered something. आप हमें पूछे about my journey.
Yeah.
So one part of my journey was, see, in those days, there were these journals I used to get from the US, and one of the journals was by Dr. Bernard Rimland. So a lot of people, may have heard about him. He was a parent. He's the one who changed the narrative. जो पहले बोला जाता है कि parents प्यार नहीं करता इसीलिए autistic होता. So he's the one who changed the narrative. He wrote a book which changed the whole thing in the US. At the same time, he had started an organization called the Autism Research Institute, and he used to bring out a journal which I used to subscribe to. और उस journal में he used to propagate a lot of certain therapies.
Okay.
तो हाँ, so I tried many of those therapies, and ultimately most of those were proven not good. But because Bernard was propagating it, we all thought ये तो अच्छा होगा ही. And some of them were I know that I tried things. See, for instance, he started this whole thing of something called Super Nuthera. And I used to spend, I don't know how much money getting this containers from the US, and it did nothing for my son. एक तो बात है कि when you start something that is supposed to be magical, not a therapy that you do at the table, when you do something magical, like a medicine से कुछ हो जाएगा, then you always imagine कि change हुआ है. Because आपका इतना emotional investment होता है.
Emotionally you were attached. Yeah. Because you think that, yes, मैंने कुछ एक miracle किया है और
हाँ, हम पैसा डाले हैं, तो ये एक psychological बात है. So there is always the belief कि इससे जरूर कुछ change हो रहा है. So even I had thought like that. So when I gave Super Nuthera to my son, and then after 3 or 4 months, I said, apart from collecting some very nice plastic jars, I don't think I've benefited at all. So then I stopped it. I also did a lot of GFCF, and I'm not saying that GFCF is bad. What I want to say is that lot of regular people have gluten intolerance and casein intolerance.
Casein intolerance, yeah.
It has nothing to do with autism.
Autism, yeah.
Only difference is that when a child with autism has gluten intolerance or casein intolerance, वो आपको बता नहीं सकता है कि मेरा discomfort हो रहा है. And that can affect their learning. But very often parents started thinking कि इससे कुछ magic हो जाएगा.
Magic हो जाएगा.
हाँ, इससे magic नहीं होगा. यदि आपके बच्चे का gluten intolerance है या casein intolerance है, dairy का intolerance है, yes, then आप try करके देख सकते हो कुछ time के लिए. But कुछ families है वो लगा कर चलते रहते हैं, and actually it hasn't really done anything for their child. So we have to think intelligently, and we have to think for our child, because it is not fair. जबरदस्ती करके उसका benefit नहीं हो रहा है, हम करते रहते हैं. That is not very nice. Right?
Actually, I have found, sorry to interrupt here, ma'am. Actually, I have found some parents are giving camel milk and
I
this
know.
thing, that thing. I said that first you taste. If you are okay in having, then try it with your child. But
tell me something, Manisha. दुनिया में ऐसा countries है in Eastern Europe, in the Middle East, जहाँ पर लोग camel milk drink करते हैं. क्या वहाँ पर autism है नहीं?
Autism नहीं है, yeah, correct, exactly, yeah.
See, people have to think. India में camel milk क्यों शुरू हुआ है? Because there are 2 ladies, very smart ladies, who decided to promote it. उसमें से एक है जो camel breed करती है, और दूसरा है जो आई और बोली कि हम ये कैमल मिल्क ऑटिस्टिक बच्चे को दे, कुछ जगह में बोलता है दिस इज अ वेरी गुड मार्केट करके ये जो मार्केट शुरू कर दिया है ना, अमूल सौ कि अच्छा ये दोनों कर रही है तो हमको भी जाना है. कमर्शियल
marketing is everything.
Yes.
How you
So
tell
now,
that?
And I tell myself, I've been to countries, हम ऐसे देशों में गए हैं जहाँ पर camel milk is a part of their diet, and I've been invited by their autistic organizations. वहाँ पर autism है कैसे? Right? So, people will have to think. And as parents, हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि हम बहुत vulnerable होते हैं. और इसका वो उठाने के लिए, what's the word I want? फायदा उठाने के लिए लोग रहेंगे. Right? But I have to be smarter. Why should I keep feeding my child camel's milk, which is not really that great tasting, if it is not really going to benefit him?
Help anything, yeah.
I had also done things like, what's it called? AIT. AIT, in our time there was, Learn All Plus tha, G Therapy tha, Super Nuthera tha, Secretin tha. So there were things that happened, and कुछ अभी लौट के आए हैं जो पेरेंट्स अभी फिर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, कुछ बेनिफिट नहीं हुआ है, but parents will want to try these things. So I just want to share that was a part of my journey. But after a while I realized, 1-2 साल I did these stupid things, and then I realized I have to think, I have to use my mind. God has given me a mind to use it, right? Yeah. I have to use my mind and figure out ki, is this worth it or is it just a waste of my time and my son's life? Right? See, और एक चीज हम सबको याद रखना है. I am not Einstein and you are not Lata Mangeshkar.
Yeah.
All of us cannot become these people. The problem in the autism community is कि हम सोचते हैं ये कुछ मैजिक करके हमारे बच्चे वैसा हो जाएगा. But all our children are different. I know that my child has significant challenges. He will never become Tito, right? मेरा बेटा कभी टीटो मुखोपाध्याय नहीं होगा, स्टीफन शॉर नहीं होगा. हम जितना भी कैमल मिल्क पिलाए और जो भी करे, what do I want? My son must be happy. That has to be the bottom line. But क्या होता है ना, we get so focused on my happiness. What will make me happy?
Sorry to interrupt here, ma'am. Actually, many parents...
Don't apologize. Interrupt when we are having a conversation. जब भी बोलना है बोलो.
Yeah. Actually, the thing is, many people think, like you said that, like Tito or anything. Okay, if your child, some neurotypical people, if your child has autism, then your child might have something good.
Yeah.
That you need to search. Your child will be good. Or
must have some magical thing.
Magical thing.
I was also asked that. आपका बेटे का कुछ special वो क्या है?
क्या है उसका? Yeah.
हाँ.
So these are some...
Yeah. So I used to say my son's special ability is that he's an average person with autism.
Yeah. Yeah. ये stigma है मैम society का. This is the stigma which it's need a lot of time so that people will really understand that, okay, actually what we need to think. So that is the thing, ma'am. I was telling that here awareness is very less. Even if many people are trying, we are trying, you have tried a lot in making autism as in disability sector also, but still awareness, how we will get all these.
See, it has to be a slow movement. See, from the time when I started, now I can tell you in the last month and a half, there were 2 people with autism who are placed in employment.
Okay.
Right? Open employment. That is a huge change. And these are not people who are like, people who are absolutely indistinguishable. These are people who meet karke, you know they have autism.
Okay.
ऐसे लोग have got open employment. So there is a change happening, right? There are colleges that are open up to people. We know so many young people who've been to regular college, right? College education mila hai, they've studied in regular colleges. There are kids who are going to regular schools. There are people who go to malls and movies. They travel like everybody else. That is a change.
That is a change.
That itself is a change, right?
So, ma'am, I just want to ask here, like, how important is parents training in autism, in your opinion?
See, parent training, what I say does not have to be the ultimate, but I believe that it's important for a parent. I won't use the word parent training. Let's just say I believe it's very important.
Basic information.
I believe it's very important. Yeah. See, because autism is not like any other disability. आप कोई भी अलग disability देखो, in every disability, the mind works like the way your mind works and my mind works. Right? Whether you are blind, or whether आप wheelchair में है, whether you have जिसको हम mental retardation बोलते हैं, intellectual disability बोलते हैं, all their minds, even people with cerebral palsy, their minds work the same way.
Okay. Yeah.
When you have autism, your mind works differently. And that is why with people, when you have a kid with autism, it is very important as a parent to understand autism. बहुत जरूरी है to understand how autism works. And when हम जब वो उसको समझते हैं ना, then we understand our child. I remember जब नीरज को diagnosis मिला था, and I got my first book after a month, and I read about communication and social. Honestly, I did not understand it. I really did not. हम पढ़ लिए, हमें लोग बोलते थे आप बोलते हो इसका कम्युनिकेशन का डिफिकल्टीज है, सोशल डिफिकल्टीज, बट वैसे शाय तो बहुत लोग होते हैं, मगर मेरे बेटे
Introvert
में वो
होते हैं.
डिफरेंस क्या है,
Hmm.
I could not explain. I just could not explain. I could not explain how literal his understanding of language was. I could not explain how he had a difficulty understanding his own self. ये सब हम explain कर नहीं पाते थे. And only when I understood all of that was I able to help my son. And see, my son was also somebody who had, जो challenging behaviors का, like राजा बोल सकते हैं उसको, right? And he was what taught us really, because उसके साथ आप deal कर सकते हो तो आप किसी को सिखा सकते हैं. So
Generally,
that
our kids
was
are
really my,
like this. Generally,
huh?
our kids are like this. They are like
Huh?
Maharaja
Yeah.
and all.
Yeah, no, but he had really he had every kind of difficulty that you could think of, right? So that to understand that, I had to train myself, and I come across a lot of parents who have children who have difficulties, and also, सबसे ज्यादा difficulty किसका होता है? Parents who have children who are, like cognitively do very well, जिसको लोग high functioning बोलते हैं, they have the most difficulty. You know why? Because at least when people meet my son, you can very clearly see he has autism. So people are willing to make accommodations. जब your child does not appear to have a condition, parents भी expect करते हैं कि वो normal act करे. जब किसी का डाउन सिंड्रोम है या किसी का सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी है, पेरेंट्स कभी उस बच्चे को बोलते नहीं है कि आप नॉन डाउन सिंड्रोम एक्ट करो, आप ऐसे बिहेव करो जैसे कि आपका सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी है नहीं. मगर जब ऑटिज्म रहता है, हम अपने बच्चे को ऑल द टाइम बोलते हैं कि आप नॉन ऑटिस्टिक बिहेव करो, डोंट एक्ट ऑटिस्टिक,
बिहेव प्रॉपर्ली.
या बट दैट, हम जिसका सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी है उसको हम कभी नहीं बोलते हैं इफ द हैंड शेक्स कि हाथ को शेक मत करो. यदि वो उसका स्पीच में थोड़ा सा स्लरिंग आता है, हम नहीं बोलते हैं ठीक से बात करो. मगर हमारे बच्चे को वी स्पेंड आवर एंटायर टाइम सेइंग एक्ट नॉन ऑटिस्टिक, बी नॉर्मल. सो ये हमें ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है.
हाँ, ये जनरली हो जाता है मैम.
बिकॉज सी, हमारे बच्चे को हम एक मैसेज देते हैं तब that आप जो हो is not acceptable. I don't like what you are. और if हमारा intention है that my child learn to be happy, how is he going to learn to be really happy? है ना?
Exactly. Thank you so much, मैम. ये सही में जनरली मतलब हो जाता है, कभी कभी पेरेंट्स से हो जाता है, सबसे हो जाता है कि behave properly, don't do this, clapping your hand, don't clap, why you are clapping so much, don't sing.
Absolutely. Aaj savere I spoke to a young mother who called me today morning, and she was telling me, and from her description, her daughter, not son, daughter, her daughter has a lot of communication and stuff, but of course she's not communicating. She has autism, does not communicate the way non-autistic people would do. And she said that uska beti aankh ke side se dekhti hai, and that was a big concern. So then I helped her see क्यों देखती है, and she realized कि उसका बेटी आंख के साइड से देखती है जब वो ऑक्यूपाइड नहीं है, उसका फ्री टाइम में. सो ऐसे जब वो आंख के साइड से देखती है, क्या आपका कुछ आपको परेशान करती है, क्या अपने आप को हर्ट कर रही है, दूसरे को हार्म कर रही है, आपकी चीजें तोड़ रही है, इफ वो अपने आंखों के साइड से देखती है, व्हाई इज इट बॉदरिंग यू? आप अपने फ्री टाइम में बैठकर कुछ स्टूपिड माइंडलेस सीरियल देखते हैं घंटों भर के, हम यदि आकर वो टीवी को बंद कर दे, आपको कैसा लगेगा?
Exactly.
तो आपके बच्चे को क्यों आप रोकते हैं जब ये करे? गेट ऑल्टरनेटिव्स. उसके लिए आप विजुअल टॉयज ले आइए, बॉल्स ले आइए जिसमें लाइट जलता है. गिव हर एन ऑल्टरनेटिव, बट बंद मत कीजिए, बिकॉज दैट इज सो अनफेयर. that is just unfair to the child.
Exactly, ma'am. That's true. That's true. Yeah, regarding this thing, so I just want to know, ma'am, that how important is the awareness of family member about autism? Like, yes, mother can be trained, parents can be trained, father are also doing a lot of duty nowadays. So, how important is the other family members? Like, if they are staying in a joint family, or
Yeah.
else if grandparents are there, so how important is that? Even if the
See,
distant relative also, like
yeah,
uh,
yeah, absolutely.
like I have come
Absolutely.
across many parents, like they are avoiding their relatives, not going to relative place or anything, because they will ask a number of questions and all
Right, right.
regarding their child. So how important is for other distance relative also to know?
Yeah. I think that's a very, very good question. And I think I will answer that by saying that the bottom line is कि as a parent, how comfortable am I around my child? हम जब बोल रहे फैमिली का अवेयरनेस, इफ आई एम एम्बेरस्ड अबाउट माई चाइल्ड, हम
Yeah.
अपने बच्चे को लेकर एम्बेरस्ड है, आई कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट माई एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली नॉट टू बी फील द सेम वे, क्योंकि वो हमको देखेगा. हम यदि हमारे बच्चे के साथ, सी आई ऑल्सो हैव इन एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, आई हैव फ्रेंड्स हु नो नथिंग अबाउट ऑटिज्म, हम किसी को ट्रेन नहीं किए हैं,
Hmm.
बट हम जब अपने बच्चे को लाकर जाते हैं, I'm, you don't like my son, too bad.
Yeah, I am with in our own way.
Yeah,
In your own way.
if I find that, and if they ask me anything, I said, no, uska autism hai.
Hmm.
And I expect them to accept my son. If I find that anybody is doing something that is not good for my son,
Then
तब
we
हम वहां पर
avoid.
और नहीं जाएंगे,
Hmm.
नहीं
We
जाएंगे.
avoid.
But
Yeah.
other than that, how does it bother me?
Yeah.
हमें कोई बोले तो I will say, yeah, he has autism. ये ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है? हाँ, उसको autism है ना.
Hmm.
You're creating awareness.
Hmm.
रास्ते में, see, sometimes parents tell us कि they get very upset कि हम जब बाहर जाते हैं, लोग पूछते हैं ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है, फ्लैट क्यों कर रहा है, ऐसे क्यों बैठा है. And I say, that is your opportunity to create awareness.
Awareness. Yeah.
हाँ,
Exactly.
बुरा फील करने का है क्या? Just turn on and say, हाँ, वैसा करता है, उसका ऑटिज्म है ना.
हाँ. Just वही
Yeah.
वही
The
same
same
time
is true with extended family.
Yeah, ma'am. That's true. We need to need other know. Actually, what I have done when I came to this society, so I have I made one PDF at that time, and I have shared in the group that okay, my
Very good.
child has the autism, and
Absolutely.
please go through it. Please make your
Absolutely.
children aware that okay, my child has autism. These are the things
Absolutely.
he bothers, and these are the things which he used to do. So he is not weird, he has autism. So after that, everyone accept him as what is.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
See, आप जब upfront होगे ना, then people will accept it. अब जब छुपा छुपा रहोगे, then people will talk behind your back.
Yeah,
That is the problem.
that's true.
So हमारा acceptance रहेगा तो people will be fine.
So, ma'am, regarding how, like, okay, our kids are doing their courses, and parents are doing like NIOS and everything. So after that, as we have come across, like there is minimum awareness also regarding vocational and functional skill. So how should we propagate the more so that it will be benefited for our kids only?
Right, right.
So,
See,
like there is a minimum sector for vocational training. Yes, they are developing, but still we need, as you said, that there are 20 billion kids we have, but still we have very few vocational sectors. So
yeah.
how we can create more?
Yeah. See, the thing is that, what you highlighted is something very important, because बहुत सालों से it was almost like autistic बच्चे हैं और बड़े होकर कहीं disappear कर जाते हैं.
Correct.
It's almost like
Correct.
that.
Correct.
है ना?
Because
But the
our kids are growing now, and they
Of
are
course.
becoming adult. They will become
Absolutely.
senior citizen also. So in this
Absolutely.
journey, how to make them
Yeah.
feel like, okay, they are the part of society.
Absolutely. So we do need a lot more vocational centers. And एक चीज जो होता है, lot of schools they continue to have people with autism जो 30 years, 40 years के हैं.
Hmm.
And for the people with autism, it is important to feel हम एक workplace में अब जा रहे हैं, right? Because once you give them that sense of, you know, I'm an adult now and I'm going to a workplace, they enjoy that. So having opening more vocationals is very, very important. The other thing that I wanted to say is that, you know, there is a lot of stress on academics, I find. I'm a part of a lot of groups, and of course, academics is important. But the stress on academics, I think, is sometimes way too much. What needs to be stressed equally, आप academics करो, मगर उसके साथ, I think what you need to stress on is letting people with autism do things around the house.
Correct,
Many of
exactly.
them,
That is
yeah,
important.
many of them, see, क्या होता है, most of our children are males, और हमारे देश में लड़का है तो वो
लड़कों को कुछ नहीं
राजा
पढ़ा
है,
जाता।
वो घर में कुछ नहीं करेगा, सारा दिन बैठा रहेगा. तो क्या होता है, they become older and then they're incapable of doing anything around the house. So it is very important to make them do, you know, as much of the, if they have the physical, you know, motor skills and all of that, dusting, making bed, washing clothes, washing dishes, cooking. See, also हमारा India is a very feudal country. तो हम सोचते हैं घर का काम हमारे बच्चे नहीं करेंगे, हेल्प करेंगे, हमारे घर में जो सपोर्ट स्टाफ है वो करेंगे. ये भी एक बहुत बुरा चीज है. तो इसके वजह से, you know, आप हमें शुरू में पूछे ना कि what is the difference you saw between the West and here? One of the biggest differences I saw, which I forgot, was that I found that people over there who would be called quite severe, सब household काम कर सकते हैं. Because from the word go, they are putting their thing in the microwave and heating it. Because ये करने में कुछ नहीं है, right? अपना breakfast अपने आप बनाते हैं, अंडा एक बोल में देकर माइक्रोवेव में डालकर अपना ब्रेकफास्ट बनाते हैं, राइट? टोस्टर में टोस्ट डालकर अपना ब्रेकफास्ट. यहाँ पर तो सब राजा महाराजा बैठे रहते हैं, उसका ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल में आता है. तो क्या होता है, they don't learn independent skills, right? And many of us are, you know, my contemporaries have gone through this thing, but the kids have done nothing because घर में help काम कर देंगे. And that is the difference we saw over there. It did not matter how well-to-do the family was. सबको अपने आप काम करना पड़ता है, right? Even Prince Harry makes his own breakfast.
Because
Meghan Markle makes her own breakfast.
In this lockdown, ma'am, everyone are working their own.
अभी जबरदस्ती कर, जो लोग पहले से काम शुरू किया है ना, उसका लाइफ इजी है. See, we know this young man जो हमारे vocational में आता था. His parents had taught him a lot of household work. After the lockdown, the mother is very unwell. घर का पूरा काम this young man with autism संभालता है. पूरा काम. Can you imagine? That is what we have to think of.
Yes.
So vocational is there, but this is also very, very important.
And in this vocational, ma'am, I just want to add, like मेरे दिमाग में है कि why there are certain like हम लोग थोड़ा rigid हो जाते हैं कि ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है. Why? So I was thinking that our kids should learn plumbing also, carpenter work also.
सीख सकते हैं तो जरूर.
In their life, even they're driving, so that in future, like they can be a pizza delivery boy also, right? So that's what.
Absolutely. See, if somebody is interested in taps and water and all that kind of stuff, plumbing is a perfect thing for him to learn.
Perfect thing, yeah.
Right, absolutely.
But in India, that's the thing. Now we.
हमारा बहुत feudal है. We are a very feudal country. हमारा society बहुत feudal है. इसको break करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yeah, so for that it needs a lot of awareness. And ma'am,
I have families who've said that they don't want their children to work, even when we got them jobs. ऐसा नौकरी नहीं करना है उससे. इट्स बेटर कि वो घर में बैठे रहेगा मगर ऐसा नौकरी नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट अ ऑफिस जॉब.
Office job, yeah.
हाँ, ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है, वी एक्सपीरियंस दैट.
And the thing is, many people are thinking, many parents, stigma है कि engineering, doctor, तो उसको छोड़ो. And one thing I just want to ask you, ma'am, like we have heard about Ananda, the assistive living for adults with autism and other condition, comorbid condition. So can you share something about this project, and do you see that in future many parents can embrace this in other parts of country also?
Yeah.
So
So
how they will embrace and how they will start?
right. So, see, Ananda is a place for adults with autism, and we are also taking people with other disabilities, but Hamara designed for people with autism because they are the most complex. And iska purpose hai twofold. One is that there are families who are where the children are adults and they have, you know, difficulty in managing them because they may have behaviors and stuff like that. So they need a place where the young people can stay. And the other one is that the parents are no longer there, hai nahi, and or the parents are very old and that they are worried कि हम जब नहीं रहेंगे क्या होगा, right? So that is the reason why Ananda. Say, for instance, when I'm not there, what will happen to my son? So, you know, there are many families like this. So that is the reason why Ananda was started. And हमारा जो मॉडल है, तेरा अभी ऐसा ग्रुप होम्स इंडिया में काफी छोटा छोटा स्टार्ट हुआ है. तो आई विल टॉक अबाउट द, या काफी स्टार्ट हुआ है. तो हमारा जो मॉडल है, आई कैन ओनली टॉक अबाउट दैट. दिस इज अ मॉडल जहां पर पेरेंट्स नहीं रहते हैं. बिकॉज कुछ मॉडल है जहां पर पेरेंट्स भी साथ पे रहते हैं, एंड व्हेन द पेरेंट इज गॉन देन द चाइल्ड मूव्स देयर. And for us, we think that is kind of a double jhatka. Suddenly, my parents are also gone, and now I'm in a new place. So we prefer this because they get used. They know that the parents are there, but this is my home. That is my parents' home, and this is my home. ये अब मेरा घर है, right? So it's that, and slowly they get used to living there. So when the parents go, they lose a parent, but you know they're still living in their own home. So that is the model we have. यहाँ पर parents नहीं रहते हैं. Unless there is a parent who's working there as a professional, then a parent can stay there. But you don't have parents coming in and stay. Though of course हमारा plan है कि जो यहाँ अभी start नहीं किए हैं, 2 years we will start this, कि जिसका भी बच्चे यहाँ पर है, बच्चे meaning adults, children यहाँ पर है, वो parent को आनंदा में आकर साल में 2 weeks रहना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
We want them to stay because you know as so that they keep the connection. ये नहीं कि हम बच्चे को डालकर भूल गए हैं. एक तो वो होगा, और दूसरा they can take a look at what is happening. They feel comfortable कि हमें पता है क्या हो रहा है. So we have this model in mind कि parents आकर 2 months यहाँ पर रहेगा, right? And see, Action for Autism एक parent organization है. We are a parent organization. So our focus is very much on, you know, what would make parents feel comfortable. So ये तो एक है, and what we have really is an apartment building. It's a large apartment जहाँ पर we have 15 bedrooms. और वहाँ पर we have people with autism have their bedrooms, people with who support them, they have their bedrooms. कुछ people उसका independent rooms है, कुछ people share करते हैं, जैसे जो मांगते हैं, right? So we live there like a large joint family. We don't run it like an institution कि वहां पर मेस है, वहां पर जाकर खाएंगे और यहाँ पर कुछ होगा, और जो हमारा देखभाल करता है कहीं रहेगा. जो हमारे साथ जो हमको सपोर्ट करते हैं, they are like my friends, they all live together. उनका bedroom इसके bedroom सब, and they live the same life. So our model is of a large joint family, large noisy joint family. Everybody helps in the kitchen. तो जो हमारे पीपल विद ऑटिज्म को असिस्ट कर रहे हैं, वो भी जब जरूरत होता है किचन में हेल्प करता है. हमारा पीपल विद ऑटिज्म किचन में हेल्प करता है. हम सबका स्केड्यूल में डाल देते हैं. जो रोटी बेल सकता है वो जाकर रोटी बेलता है, जो बर्तन धो सकता है वो जाकर बर्तन धोता है. एवरीडे नहीं, हर मील के लिए नहीं, मगर वी पुट इट इनटू देयर स्केड्यूल. सो वी आर ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली. And we do things like आज आफ्टरनून में it was nice and sunny, and you know how cold Delhi is. So we all pulled our dining tables into the lawn. Lawn में बैठकर lunch खाए थे. So you know, it's I'll put it on my Facebook post. अभी आप बात करते करते याद आ रहा है, I'll put it on the Facebook post. So it's like a large joint family. और क्या होता है कि they stay there in the day. Every day at 10 o'clock, they walk down. It's a 3-minute walk to the vocational place. Walk down करके, there's a vocational, and people work there till 3 o'clock.
Okay.
10 बजे से 3 बजे तक काम करते हैं. कुछ लोग हैं जो 1 बजे चले आते हैं because they are still learning to work. तो वो लोग 10 to 1 काम करते हैं और बाकी सब 10 to 3 काम करते हैं. And then they come back, and through the day they have activities planned out. There's games, they have morning walks, they go cycling. So it's like any home. कोई भी घर की तरह है. Right. So that's what Ananda is like.
Yeah.
So if you have any specific questions, you can ask me. We are still taking in people. अभी भी लोग ले रहे हैं. And people can start something like this. If people want to start, we plan to train caregivers. एक ट्रेनिंग कोर्स स्टार्ट करेंगे. एंड वी डू वांट टू, लाइक यू नो, एक्शन फॉर ऑटिज्म में हम क्या करते हैं कि जो भी प्रोग्राम रन करते हैं, हम कोशिश करते हैं कि और लोग उसको स्टार्ट कर सके. जैसे हमारा पेरेंट चाइल्ड ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम और भी प्रोग्राम्स है लोग स्टार्ट किए हैं. हम चाहते हैं ये भी लोग स्टार्ट कर सके.
That is what.
Yeah. So हमारा प्लान है that in a maybe another 1 or 2 years time we will have something where we will train people to go and start your own program. आप जाकर. Yeah. अभी भी बहुत सारे लोग आए हैं. Even people have visited us from Bangladesh और कहाँ से आए हैं देखने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं, so that they can start their own programs, and we've shared our ideas and stuff.
Because in the long run, ma'am, I think that it is the need.
बहुत सारे चाहिए, बहुत सारे, और कोई किसी का बच्चे को नहीं ले सकेगा. Right? बहुत सारे चाहिए.
So that's why many parents need to know. Many parents are watching, ma'am, and they are saying hello and good evening to you. And
hello to everybody.
If anyone has any question, they can put. Someone is telling that they are thankful to you. Piyush Mishra is telling they are thankful to you and for AFA for facilitating academics research on autism in India, and they are delighted to hear you, ma'am. So here I just want to if you have any advices for new parents. So.
Okay. So for new families, actually, before I forget, there's something I want to talk about later. I'll quickly write it down so I don't forget. But for new families, what I would say is that getting a diagnosis of autism is not the end of the world.
Yeah.
Yes. जब हम क्या होता है, when you have a child, usually क्या होता है,
initially you said na, that the thought that why me has never came into your mind. That's why you were the icon, ma'am, in the autism in India. But generally we parents have that thought that why me, why this is and all, because we have some certain other things in our mind. So that's the thing. We should not think about why me.
Yeah. See, शायद मेरा why me इसलिए नहीं आया था because even before the diagnosis, I had thought that maybe he's a slow child. I had thought that because I could see कि उसका cousin कितना बात करती थी, कितना कुछ करती थी और वो ऐसा करके लिफ्ट में जाता था. और बाकी बच्चे जो लिफ्ट में रहता था in the multi-story, they were all talking to the lift man and he would just stand like this, right? So I used to think maybe he's a little bit slow. And honestly, that did not bother me because I always believe that everybody is different. सब कोई Einstein नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है? So I never had that in my head. So I think that probably helped me. So I never had the why me. The only thing that I did get bothered is कोई knowledge information नहीं था. So what I want to tell new parents is that शुरू में बहुत बुरा लगेगा शायद, right? But remember, when we love our children, very often क्या होता है ना, हमारा expectations रहता है कि हम चाहते हैं हमारा बच्चा बड़ा होकर ये करेगा, वो करेगा. Even I had thought that when my son is older, I'll teach him because I love painting and I love writing. I love the idea of trekking. हम सोचते थे कि हमारे बच्चे के साथ ये सब करेंगे. But ठीक है, नहीं नहीं, you know, it was not a big deal, नहीं हुआ तो. And that is what we have to let go of.
Go, yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
because हम जब हमारे बच्चे को प्यार करते हैं ना, बहुत conditions के साथ प्यार करते हैं. It's like, I will love you if you do very well in your school. I will love you if
This
you're
is the
very
norm.
smart.
This is the norms of society, no, ma'am. Our parents have also treated us. If you will score this much, then I will give you this. So
हाँ,
that has come by
हाँ,
generation to generation to
yeah.
ourselves.
See, I was lucky. My parents never did that.
So
They never said that.
this is the generally. This is
I
the
was very lucky that way. Maybe that's what helped me to, you know, be comfortable with my son also. But usko dalna hai, because हमको, see, what I'll tell new parents is, अपने आप से पूछ लो, what is more important to you, your own happiness or your child's happiness?
Child's happiness, yeah.
तो आप ये क्वेश्चन अपने आप से पूछ सकते हैं, and if the answer is your child's happiness, that itself will be very, very helpful. The other thing I will say is that आपको सब कोई बोलेगा कि आप ये करो तो आपका बच्चा नॉर्मल हो जाएगा, वो करो तो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. There are many children with autism who now are indistinguishable. उतना देखकर पता भी नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है, स्टीफन शॉर को बहुत लोग देखे हैं, राइट? वेन लॉसन को देखे हैं, कितने सारे ऑटिस्टिक लोग इंडिया में आए हैं. हमारे भी कितने लोग हैं, मिस्टर गुहा को लोग मीट किए हैं और हमारे साथ काम भी करते हैं, और कॉलीग्स है जिसका ऑटिज्म है, देखकर पता नहीं चलता है, बट उसका ऑटिज्म रहता है. एंड यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट, बिकॉज जैसे हम सोचते हैं कि ऑटिज्म को निकालना है ना, तब पूरा प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाता है. हमें एज ए न्यू पेरेंट यू हैव टू से यस, उसका ऑटिज्म है, हमें ऑटिज्म को समझना है और उसको हेल्प करें. नॉट कि हम ये करें तो उसका ऑटिज्म चला जाएगा, वो करे तो उसका ऑटिज्म चला जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाट लीड्स टू लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज. और द अदर थिंग दैट आई विल क्विकली से इज कि एक डिफिकल्टी जो होता है इज दैट तब हम बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल में आ जाते हैं. बच्चे को कंट्रोल करने शुरू करते हैं, ये नहीं करना है, वो करना है, ये नहीं खाना है, वो खाना है, ऐसा नहीं करना है, वो करना है. और ये इसका बॉम्ब कब फुटता है पता है? जब एडोलेसेंस आता है. जब उससे पहले आप बच्चे को जितना मर्जी कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, आपको जो बोलेंगे वो करता रहेगा, करता रहेगा, करता रहेगा. फिर जब वो बिटवीन द एजेस ऑफ 10 to 15 ऐसा बॉम्ब फुटेगा ना, आपका एकदम तब पता चलेगा कि ये हम क्यों किए थे. बिकॉज वी सी फैमिलीज लाइक दैट ऑल द टाइम. इवन वेरी एबल किड्स जो रेगुलर स्कूल में जाते हैं, when they are in class 8, 7, 8, suddenly they don't want to do anything. They've had enough. So we have to keep in mind that keep your child's happiness in mind. Don't control your child too much. Meet them halfway. हमें कोई यदि, if my in-laws control me all the time, if my husband control me all the time, would I like that?
Yeah,
I won't. Right? So the same applies to our children. That is what I would tell parents. And the other thing I will say is कि हम जब बोलते हैं उसका behaviors है, याद रखना है behavior is a communication. उसका पीछे एक कारण है, और sometimes वो कारण हम है. वो जो behavior हो रहा है उसका जो कारण है वो हम create किए हैं. हम ऑटिज्म को समझेंगे तो वो हम समझेंगे कि हमारे वजह से ये behaviors हो रहा है. This is what I will tell new parents.
Ma'am, one parent is asking that please guide a working mother how she will manage the life with autism kid.
See, if you are working and if your work gives you satisfaction and pleasure, you want to continue working. Even when, you know, my son was growing up, I did not work anymore. So sometimes people would say, oh, you're so great. And I said, no, I'm not great. I gave it up because I enjoyed it. And I have friends who did not give up their work. They are equally great, because if I love what I'm doing and I give it up for my child, I will spend my entire time blaming him. That will happen because you have to do what you love. It so happened that I love doing this. I was just lucky that I love doing this. But if you are working and you love your work, do not give it up. Continue working. But what you want to do is educate yourself about autism. Take off maybe 1 or 2 months or 3 months. Even we, Action for Autism also has trainings for parents. Do a training और किसी के साथ कहीं से भी. Get yourself trained, understand autism. उसके बाद work as much as you want to. Make sure you give 1 hour of quality time to your child every day.
Yes.
And that is all you need to do. Because, once at one of our early workshops, almost एक लड़ाई हो गया था between 2 parents. One who was working full time and one who had given up working, right? Both were good friends. And I said that, this is crazy. Why should anybody give up their jobs? Why should you give up your job? Why should you, martyr yourself? I mean, that's the most ridiculous thing. I've martyred myself for my child. Nobody's martyred because you've given it up because you wanted to. If somebody tells me that I've martyred myself for my child, I think that's the most ridiculous thing. Don't ever do that. Don't martyr yourself.
Yeah. That's
you're doing avam because you enjoy it.
Yeah.
Not because you've decided to, martyr yourself for your son. Yeah. You enjoy it. But if you don't enjoy it, that's okay too. आपको जो करने में शांति आती है, खुश आती है, वो करो. और if that is a full 9 to 5 job, yes, do your job. All you have to do, give half an hour of quality time. Because when you give up your job, you give 24 hours of time where at the back of your head, you are thinking, because of my son, my career and my life has been destroyed. I know parents like that. हम ऐसे parents को जानते हैं जो बोलते हैं, हमारे बच्चे की वजह से मेरा life destroyed हो गया है. What was the purpose?
That is wrong, ma'am. That is wrong. Parents should know
that
your child is more
a working mother work. Because the mother who's working at home is also working actually. घर का काम is even more difficult. But आप बाहर का काम करके, because जिसको घर का काम करना पड़ता है ना, don't get into it because that is worse. उसका कोई end नहीं होता है, वो सारा दिन चलता है. तो आप यदि बाहर काम करते रहो क्योंकि एटलीस्ट घर आकर वो काम खत्म हो जाता है. उसके बाद give half an hour, 1 hour, जितना आप देख सकते हो, quality time with your child. That's all you need.
Yeah, that is what's needed. And if you don't like the job, then leave it. I left it because I was not happy in my job.
Yeah. Do what makes you happy. If you're not happy, you can't help your child be happy.
And now
आप happy नहीं हो तो आपका बच्चे को आप happy कर नहीं कर सकते.
And now that job, like I was a lecturer in college, that I am doing with Sam, like making boards and all. So yeah, that's the thing. And one parent, she's asking like how to uplift the knowledge. There are lots of things to uplift the knowledge with the children.
Uplift your own knowledge or the child's knowledge?
I don't know. I am a professional who starts seeing a child in the spectrum at 4 years. How shall we uplift ourselves to fit myself with the child's needs?
How the professional will uplift her knowledge?
We should go for training and all.
Go for training. कितने trainings होते हैं? And not just Action for Autism. बहुत सारे organizations हैं जो trainings करते हैं अभी.
Yeah. So you can uplift with this.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your wonderful time in Avam, and we talked a lot of things, and we have this idea. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks, everybody. All the best.